Thanks for joining us. This is Fighting for What's Right. We're talking with attorney Barry Doyle today. Barry, since this is the first show, why don't you tell us a little about yourself?
Sure. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Chicago. That means I represent people and families who have been involved in significant accidents or wrongful death litigation. I've been doing that for 24 years. It's all that I do. I don't do divorces, I don't do bankruptcies, I don't write wills. When we bought our house, I had to get a lawyer to do the closing for me because I don't know how to do a real estate closing. I opened up my own firm in 2004 and have been representing people who've been hurt in these kind of accidents ever since.
So Barry, why personal injury?
During the time I was in law school, I had an opportunity to work for a couple of really well-known plaintiffs' personal injury law firms. And the thing that I'd found while I was clerking there is that it really came easily to me. It made sense sort of intuitively. You know, if you know somebody who's a really good mechanic and they can hear, you know, a car rattling in a particular way and know that that's the carburetor. The thing that I found is that the particular legal doctrines and theories for personal injury law sort of made intuitive sense for me. I could take a look at a fact pattern and see how these different theories and doctrines would apply.
Do you have any philosophical approaches to handling cases?
Every case is different and deserves to be treated that way. And in representing people, I do need to draw off my past experiences, and that kind of shapes how I think about cases and how I go about prosecuting them. I always need to remember that it's the client's case. It's their case, it's their life, it's their decision. And in the end, they need to be able to make a decision that they feel comfortable with. In order for clients to make good, informed decisions that they're comfortable with, they're consistent with their own values and their own tolerance for risk, clients need to get regular updates. They need to know what's going on with the case as the case is going on, so that when you get to the end of the case and there's time to make a significant decision about trying the case, about taking a settlement offer, that it's not a giant information dump. That this is all stuff that they've heard over the process of the case and can really make a decision that's one that's they're comfortable with. It's an informed decision that's consistent with their own sense of values, their own tolerance for risk.
This is Fighting for What's Right with attorney Barry Doyle. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, click like, and leave comments.